guys, Paula here. So we recently made this light fixture over the weekend, and I want to show you the wire that we used. This is the wire that we used right here. This came in a roll of like, I don't know, 30, 33 feet, 35 feet, something like that. But I was expecting it to be round in shape, and it's not. You can see that it actually is flat. And then I was also expecting for it to not have any words or anything on it. And it does, but they're not white in color. They're just kind of like etched into the wire. So I just wanted to go ahead and show that to you. I know there were a lot of questions as to, does it have white lettering on it, white writing or anything, or, what's the shape of it? Is it round? Is it square? Whatever it may be. And so, like I said, we just made this light fixture, and the wire looks like that. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day.